Okay folks, so you can see here the packaging arrived, and right there it tells you 1 gallon per minute. And notice right here, dual thread. And I'll show you what that means here in a minute. But you can see there 55% water savings. We already talked about that on the previous video. It does come with very simple instructions. And you can see that there. But I'll basically go over it with you here. And here's what the dual thread means. You have a thread on this side, and if you look inside there, you also have thread. So depending on how your faucet is designed, the overall diameter there is going to either grab the thread out here or in there. And that's the beauty of having dual thread. In this case, the thread that we're using is this one. So you just basically have your gasket in there, put it in there and turn it. That simple. So let me show you how the water's flowing now. You can see it's just gushing like crazy. So you're about 2.1 gallons per minute now. And then when we put in our aerator, and what you want to do is just gently, you don't want to scratch it too much, but just turn it a few times, pair of pliers, make sure it's nice and tight. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey, and get it in there. You can see the difference. So that right there, just like it's telling you, is running at 1 gallons per minute. And you can see it actually comes out a little nicer, both on your hot and cold. Okay. So you can see it literally installed in about a minute. So again, I will post a link below, but you also want to look into some low flow shower heads to save you on water and electricity. Like we mentioned on the video before, you're going to be heating less water, therefore you're also going to be saving on your hot water as well. So again, I will post the link below, but you want to make sure it's dual thread, and you want to make sure it's 1 gallon per minute. If you go less, you're not going to be happy with the way the water flows out, and some tankless water heaters will not even activate if it's less than 1 gallon per minute flow. Again, this is Noah with Save Green here. Thank you for watching.